Long time ago, Dorothy Holloway take me to the doctor because my behavior was unacceptable. We had to put me on medication. You don't know everything. Yep. I had behavior problems before. Yep. Girls' magazines, going in the kitchen without permission, getting upset, using bad words, talking back to Miss Murphy, and I spit at Miss Murphy, and Greg Carter put me on punishment and medication. You don't know everything. My sister Vicky picked me up once a month, just like Richie going out with his daddy once a month. And Norma used to work here and check my sister Vicky out. I was so rude to her, and I screamed and hollered in her face, hurt her feelings. Never apologized to her, never say I'm sorry. My sister Vicky used to call Greg Carter when I get put out of the group home. I did not get put out, just let it go. I was rude to my sister Vicky, she stopped coming to see me, and my sister Vicky's out of the picture. Yep. When Michael Fagg goes to the day program, he carries a tote bag. He likes to pick up girls' magazines, being sneaky. When Michael Fagg goes to the day program, he's not going to carry no more tote bags. For now, just carries his lunchbox. Lunchbox only. Yep. Miss Murphy and Greg Carter told me no more girls' magazines. It would get you discharged from the group home. You'd be living on the streets. And that time, Dorothy told me a long time ago, got upset, talked back to Miss Murphy. You can't go in the kitchen without permission. Yep. You're not supposed to go in that kitchen without telling staff. To Mike Valentino from the Gold's Gym staff, to Mike Valentino from the subject. Hello, Mikey, hope as well. Quick note, a quick heads up. There's a guy with special needs there who works at the gym, cleans the exercise equipment, treadmills, etc. Throughout the day, there's a guy named Michael, as I work out, and always keep my eye on him. Then he tends to clean the machines near me. Anyway, then over the past several months, Michael's behavior is getting more and more aggressive as an outburst. When currently I see him walking to behind the treadmills, he kicked the machine and broke it when there's an old lady 65 and over was walking on it and causing her slightly tripped. He kicked abundant bicycles, ordering Pixels magazines on his cell phone, stealing things out of the office, throw buckets of water, scream and cuss, hit his head a broken window. Today, Michael was cleaning the treadmill next to me. He would start beating on the television screen. After that, he pulled the control cable between the television screen and keypad and sliced it in two. And he turned that machine off. And he got the out of order sign for it. And he turned it off to ease it up. He told me he didn't do it. It broke since he was cleaning it. He went outside about his own business. And I told you, Brother Pat, about the wire when I was leaving. I am concerned Michael's doing bad things in his future. By Pat Valentino and Bruce Kirkman, mailed in 2008. North Carolina Division of Vocational Rehab Office, Department of Health and Human Services, Progress Review, this report of progress towards going to work. Michael, I received a phone call yesterday from the job coach. Tiffany Rudd started it. You had been terminated from the employer, Gold's Gym. Your termination was due to inappropriate behavior. There had been display on the shoplifting camera when you were at work. On several options, you were responsible for wiping down and cleaning the exercise machines when observed by management becoming aggressive while doing so. You also became upset when you were at work and damaged the television. The managers at Gold's Gym also said that during this time. You pushed or tampered with the treadmill and broke it when it was being used by elderly lady, and this caused it to trip and break her leg on the machine. However, she decided not to report the matter to Greg Carter or the police. Michael, on the assumptions of scat buses being late. You have been observed to hit yourself in the head while on the floor, act up inappropriately because of this behavior. He has led to your termination from Gold's Gym. On the privileged jobs, you have displayed inappropriate behavior and has led to your termination from the company. Tiffany Rudd has worked hard to assist in monitoring inappropriate behavior when you at work in job development, test, and training. Michael, this is important that you understand that for location appointment. At this time, you will be putting your case on hold. During this time, you need to get in touch with your mental health provider as soon as possible. Schedule time for therapy to discuss your behaviors and interactions with others before we begin job development again. If you have any questions, please feel contact me at 336-315-2016. Silently, Deanna Pop Edward. Deanna Pop Edward, Cancer Senator. Mailed in 2008. Record time 3:26 p.m. Kitty cat number. A long time ago, Stevie Hicks won't listen. Steve Hicks got out of hand. We need to call 911 before Steve Hicks tied the house down. Police officers will come pick him up, take him to mental health, take him to the hospital, and Steve Hicks moved to another group home. Tracy Johnson took him. That's right.